Alright, hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to work together and how to make changes to somebody else's tester and have them show up for that person. So here I'm going to transition on over to my screen where I've got somebody else's tester open from Comp250. Remember, GitHub is an open source website, so you can just open people's testers. And here I've got a cool tester from someone else. To make changes, I can click the fork button, and that's going to create a copy of that repository in my own profile. I've got some organizations here, so I'm going to create it in my own username, just for my personal one. You might not have that screen. It's okay. Once this fork is created, you'll have basically your own copy of this repository. You'll need to be signed in to GitHub on your IDE for this to work. So please watch the Sharing a Debugger video to learn how to set up GitHub on your computer and how to be signed in for when you're working with this. But when you are signed in, you should be able to go, like before, on Git and then clone. And now here you click on your own username, and you should see the new one you just forked come up in this list. So I'm going to search for it. Where might it be? It's called assignment 1 tester. What is it? Comp250A1 test. Right here. I'm going to clone that, and it's going to download it to my computer, and it's going to let me make changes. I'm going to open it in this window. And here we've got this awesome tester from one of the students. It's just obviously, like right now, a bit of an empty repository. But we can now make some changes. So if I want to suggest a change, let's say test, I'm going to move this into a package. So let's make sure that this package is actually in that package, and maybe I'll create a source folder. So let's maybe create that now. Or do I want to now? I'll just move it to the package. So I've moved this file. It said package assignment 1. I've now moved it to that package. So I'm going to commit this change. I'm going to press the check mark. That's going to upload my change. And I'm going to say I moved the test.java file into the assignment 1 folder. And I'm going to put a sparkles emoji because I like it. You can put whatever you want in here, but like make sure it's polite and cordial, and of course that it might be useful to whoever's looking at it. And I'm going to click commit and push. Now it's done what's called a push, so it's uploaded this to the internet. If I open my own version here and I refresh the page, you'll see that now I have my changes on here. I've got my changes on this assignment 1. Now, if I want this to go back to the original creator, here this button appears that my branch is 1 commit ahead of Magnus's master branch. All of this is complicated GitHub stuff. All you need to know is the pull request button. Pull request means I like my changes. I think you should put them in your own version. So you click this, it should all be automatic, and you click create pull request. And I'll say here, I am filming a demo on how to use GitHub. Thanks for making this cool repository, and good luck debugging. And of course, I will remove this typo, and I'll click create pull request. Now, Magnus will have the option to either accept or deny my changes, and if he accepts my changes, they will be moved into his branch. And that is how you collaborate on GitHub. If you all work together like this, then you can track your changes, and the fun part is that you'll actually be credited for your work. So if I look at my repository on my end, my version of it, which has both of our code, it'll show that actually both of us worked on it, and that both of us would get credit for it right around there, or it should show that anyways. And it's a good way that you guys can all share your work, and you guys can collaborate, and you guys can make a really, really good tester. So if you have any questions, again, Piazza and office hours are the place to ask. Good luck on making your testers, and good luck on collaborating. If you need some inspiration, bestofcomp.com has some of our best testers from last semester. Thank you so much.